CBS champion Julia Hart, Sky Blue. They reached the semifinals of the AEW Women's World Tag Team Title Tournament.
And their opponent, Hayter and Alex Windsor, the Brawling Birds!
Here come the Brawling Birds. Jamie Hayter, Alex Windsor against the Sisters of Sin. Two fine women's tag teams. And of course, we have new world tag team champions in the women's division, the Divine Dominion, who, by the way, we're going to see here tomorrow night when we bring you Slam Dunk Sunday after the NCAA tournament. Two tough ladies right here, Nigel. And here we go. Jamie Hayter, former women's world champ, and her partner, Alex Windsor. Crashing like you've hit a wall after your energy drink. Breakthrough with iDrink, the clean, crash-free productivity drink that